Hi, it's David Zunker and my capable camera person. And we are going to be creating this video. It's an instructional video about how we're starting our ceremonial magic temples and creating sacred space and protected space for our pathworking meditations. So it's always important to begin with the Kabbalistic cross and an acknowledgement of the higher spiritual energies that we are striving to access and participate in. So, to that end, we have it set up. This is the east. I have the altar in the east, and I will begin with some form of statement. Um, Always begin with a statement of your intention and a calling to the goddess and the god, which is what we do, or a deity and higher energy. Kabbalistic cross is thus Ate Malkuth Vegabora Vegadula Leolam. Amen. We'll begin by doing a sphere of light around our space, and it is called the Rosy Cross Ritual. In each corner and above and below, to create this three spheres of light, the three lines of circles of light, which are held in the imagination. Each juncture is, we imagine a rosy cross, and I have a picture of a rosy cross right here to show. Oh, I like that one too. Show both of them. But of course, on the Thoth deck on the back, that for us, is a rosy cross as developed and used in the Golden Dawn tradition of Hermetics. And then I happen to have this lovely one as well. Is that? Then there's another, a simpler red and white image of a rosy cross. So let's commence that. We've got started, did the Kabbalistic cross. I like to add a little, not really necessary, I think, but some people like it. It's a banishing of negative energies with a simple Greek phrase, and that is done towards the northeast. And that is, and I'm using the butt end of my wand ahead as it's a banishing. Hekis, Hekis estabebeloi, which basically means, translates as go away, bad things. Now, so once we start that, I bring my attention to the southeast corner, or southeast space in your space. So we do a cross, one down, across, like a Christian type cross, with going clockwise, circle, just kind of creating that spiral of energy with clockwise motion around the cross juncture. And the words are Yeheshua, Yeheshua, which is Jehovah, with a shin in the middle, going around, drawing a line to the next, the southwest point. Yeheshua. Of course, Jehovah with a shin in the middle is like saying the Christ energy. Yeshua, which you can certainly participate in without being Christian. Again, and now we're into the northeast, Yeshua. Carrying along, drawing that circle. Now we've completed the main circle around. We've drawn our cross there. So now we're just going to make a statement of Yeshua and bring the imaginary line up. Create a circle. A point in the middle at this high on top, Yeshua. Bring the line down to make the circle to the northwest, Yeshua. We'll do another cross here, the floor. Yeshua, beneath us. Carry on with that circle. Yeshua. Now take your imagination lines we're back to the southwest corner, Yeshua, going up again. Now we need to draw this last circle, Yeshua. 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 We've done these crosses already. Yeshua. Imagining going around, Yeshua. Yeshua. Some people sing them a little more. Yeshua. Now, this is the close. We're tying it all together. We do a game, a cross, Yeshua, spirit, clockwise. Yehovah, another pronunciation. And then I'm imagining the Hebrew letters as I say them. Yod, He, Shin, Vav, He. It's the sign. There we are. We've created that circle, that sphere around us. Now, back to the facing the east. We'll start with do a Kabbalistic cross again. Ate, Malkuth, Vegabora, Vegadula, Leo La'am, Amen. Okay, I'm going to say the words and try to enunciate and be clear, but this is what you do. You start with I-N-R-I, Yod, Nun, Resh, Yod. L, the sign of the morning of Isis. Next letter, V. V, the sign of Typhon, Apophis. X, the sign of Osiris, risen. L, V, X, Lux, light, light of the cross. Virgo, Isis, mighty mother. Scorpio, Apophis, destroyer. Sol, Osiris, slain and risen. Isis, Apophis, Osiris. And vibrate these as best you can. Ixarpe, Hokoema, Nanta, Biteom. May the divine light descend. Eheye, Yodevahe Elohim, Yodhevahe Elovadat, Shaddai El Chai, Adonai Haaretz. May the divine light descend. So mote it be. Ate, Malkuth, Vegabora, Vegadula, Leola'am. Amen. And we're in our circle with the light invoked.